Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your computer read PDF to you. So friends, if you want to read your PDF document, so that is very simple and easy method. Firstly, open Microsoft Edge browser and open your PDF document on this Microsoft browser. So open your PDF, right click on PDF, then click on open with and select Microsoft Edge. So as we can see now, this PDF file is opened on Microsoft Edge browser. Then you want to hear this document, this text. So just click on read aloud.
/ Enable or disable macros in OCE less. How to use Microsoft Word. Popular posts from this blog February 2nd,
Here are some
2020.
voice options. So
March
click on it.
18th, 2020.
Here are some voice options. So click on it. You can make speed like normal, slow, and fast.
March 18th, 2020. Enter your comment. Tech Provises. How to reset Windows backup to default in Windows 10 October 30th, 2020. How to reset Windows backup to default in Windows 10 tutorial. Command prompt. 3 different commands. Reg delete hklm /software /micro.
And also you can choose a voice. Here are a list of voice. Select any voice which you recognize more.
Microsoft /Windows /current version /Windows backup F tasks delete team Microsoft /Windows Windows backup automatic backup F.
That's it. So friends, by this quick and easy method, we can know how to make your computer read your PDF document on your PC. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.